Hello, welcome back, guys. So, in this episode, we are going to be learning how we can host or deploy our website for free. So, let's say you have a website. As you can see over here, I already have mine in this particular folder, which is called memory game. So, what it does is it has an index.html file, JS file, and a CSS file. So, it's basically a simple game which I have my tutorial on YouTube channel. You can find it in the link in the description. So, basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm going to deploy this website so that actually users can play on using the link I will use in my GitHub account. Okay, so first things first, we have to create a GitHub account. So for that, I'm gonna go to github.com, and then inside that I will click on sign up. Then it's actually pretty like intuitive. You just have to give your email ID. So I'm gonna type in my email ID. You can type in yours, and then after that press on continue. You have to create a password. I'm gonna create mine, and then okay, so that's actually a good thing. So I'm gonna go with another one. All right, yeah, fine, forget about it. So it's not allowing me to log in. Okay, so I will try another one. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a username. So if you have your own username, try to get your username as possible, because this will be the unique key that will differentiate from you and the rest of the world, right? So if you're gonna build your own personal website, then make sure that you choose this particular username very carefully, because if you choose some random name, then you have to create your personal website using that name. Basically, what I mean is, if you create this one igotechnical.com, and then you have to like access the GitHub pages using igotechnical.github.io, that's the URL you basically get. So choose carefully when you type in the username. Okay, then after that, no, click on continue. Okay, they have to verify for the puzzle. Please pick one square that shows two identical objects. Yeah, this one, I guess. Then I had to click again. All right, yeah, this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna create my account. So they have sent me an email ID confirmation. So I'm gonna just go to my email ID quickly. I'm just gonna copy it and then paste it. Okay, and then I'm gonna just click on student, and then I don't know, just some random questions. Continue, just go through it and then click on continue for free. Okay, so once you have it, let's open it, and then as you can see, you have your own empty GitHub account. So if you already have one, just log into it and then click on create repository. And then after that, so this is gonna be a game, right? So I'm gonna call it, I am gonna create a repository called memory game, and then inside the repository, this is a game which is built on JavaScript. Okay, and then it should be public. Anyone can like actually see it, and then you basically create the repository. So once you have this page, then you can click on upload an existing file, then click on that, and then I'm gonna drag and drop my files from this particular folder. So I will open my Explorer, and then I'll go to my folder which has the files, and I'm gonna like select all of this and then drag and drop it over here. Okay, so once the upload is done, you just click on commit changes, and then it's gonna take some time. Okay, that's done, and then you can just directly go to settings. Okay, so inside the settings, there is an option called pages. You click on pages. Once you have a page, like once this is done, you go to like select from source, and then click on deploy from a branch, and then you select the branch, which is our main, and then this is the root. This should be fine, and then click on save. Okay, so what happens is you can also give your custom domain. You can directly deploy from your GitHub account to your custom domain. So this needs some changes in your DNS records, but for now I'm gonna just leave it as it is. So give it some time, and then you will get a notification saying like your site is live at igotechnical.github.io and then /memory game. So if you go to this particular website, you can see that HTML is actually loading, right? So everything is actually showing up. You can actually deploy your website that easily. Okay, so there is another option as well, which is called Netlify. So we will explore that one while we are at it. Okay, so Netlify, and then you can also sign up for the same website. You can sign up with GitHub either. I'm gonna sign up with GitHub itself. Okay, so let's see. And then Netlify will automatically identify which GitHub account you have been logged in with. So this is my GitHub account, and then I'm gonna authorize Netlify. So once you have done that, you can just like click on some random things and then like be done with it. So I'm gonna call I don't think we need the name, so I'm gonna just do it. And then you can also go with either you can directly copy into a Netlify drop, or you can use deploy with GitHub. So you have already seen the GitHub one, so I'm gonna go with Netlify drop. Okay, so you just gonna like upload the folder. So I'm just gonna get my folder again. So code JS apps and another memory game. I'm gonna drop it over here. So this will upload the whole files, and then after that you basically will have a brand new website into your URL. So this is the URL I think they are calling it. So if you want to rename the name of that particular URL over here, then you can just click on domain management, and this is the current domain name as of now. So you can edit the site name into something which is available in netlify.app. So I'm going to call this memory game and check if it's available. No, that site is already taken. So let's call it memory game CCS. So yeah, that's available. That way you can have your own website using Netlify. So it's that easy to build and host a website. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please give a share, like, and subscribe. And then I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you.